We're here today at NAZ Solar Electric in Flagstaff doing a hands-on training with some of our installers, and really happy to be here with NAZ and getting the support from Sol-Ark as well. It's a great training so far, and we're really excited for all the installers who made the trip out here to join us today.
It's really great to get face-to-face time with our installers. You know, it's really great to partner with a battery company like Pytes. The ease of install matches that of Sol-Ark, and yeah, we love NAZ, our top distributor.
It's really nice to be able to talk to people technically and help them, and they understand and also get great feedback. Being at the show today, my main goal is to learn about the Pytes system like the installers that are here, and I've been really impressed with what Pytes is coming out with, and I'm taking back sheets to show my company what we should be working with in the future.
We want to have more and more installers and more Pytes users coming over here in NAZ Solar Electric. This training place is excellent, so we want to have more people in the future to help our installers and Pytes users.